Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the world of lengthening mascaras, and we've got the L'Oréal Paris Makeup Double Extend Tubing Mascara on the table. This product claims to give you up to 80% longer looking lashes, all while being smudge-proof and easy to remove. But does it really live up to its promises? Let's take a closer look. First off, let's break down the details. The L'Oréal Paris Double Extend Mascara is a two-step system. One side holds the primer, and the other, the mascara. The key claim here is its tubing technology, which means the mascara forms a tube around each lash, giving them a more extended and defined look. And of course, no flaking or smudging throughout the day, making it a solid pick for sensitive eyes. When I first tried it, I was curious about how easy it would be to apply. The double-sided brush makes the application process pretty simple. The primer goes on first, giving lashes a nice base, and then the mascara layer coats them evenly. I was impressed by the lengthening effect right away. It wasn't a dramatic false lash look, but more of a natural, extended volume that stayed soft. Now, when it comes to wear time, this mascara holds up well. I didn't experience any flaking or smudging, even after wearing it for several hours. It truly lives up to its claim of being smudge-proof, which is a huge plus if you have oily lids or need something that lasts from morning to night. The real test, though, is in removal. This is where tubing mascaras usually stand out, and L'Oréal's is no exception. A bit of warm water and the mascara easily slides off without any tugging or rubbing. It's so satisfying when a mascara lives up to the ease of removal promise. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the lengthening effect is noticeable, especially if you're looking for that natural but enhanced lash look. The Smudge-Proof formula is a standout feature, making it ideal for long days or humid environments. And the ease of removal? It's a game changer for anyone who dreads the struggle of removing stubborn mascara at the end of the day. On the downside, the two-step process might be a bit much for those who prefer a single-step mascara. The primer does add an extra layer of product, which could be an inconvenience for those on the go. As for value for money, I think it's fairly priced. Tubing mascaras tend to be a bit pricier than regular mascaras, but considering its performance, especially the smudge-proof and easy removal, it's definitely a solid option within that price range. If you're in the market for a tubing mascara, it's hard not to compare this to other options, like the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, which also uses tubing technology and is well loved for its dramatic effect. L'Oréal's formula, however, tends to be a bit lighter, making it a better choice for a more natural lash look. Build quality is great. L'Oréal's packaging is always sleek and functional. The brush is easy to use, and the packaging keeps the product well contained, so there's no mess during application. In terms of longevity, this mascara lasts all day without smudging, but like most mascaras, it should be replaced every 3 to 6 months for best performance. Customer support hasn't been something I've interacted with personally, but L'Oréal's reputation for customer service is solid, and they're known for responding quickly if any issues arise. Now for alternatives. If you're not a fan of the price tag, but still want a tubing mascara, brands like Maybelline have their own take on tubing formulas, often priced a little lower, but with similar lengthening effects. So does the L'Oréal Paris Double Extend Tubing Mascara live up to its claims? Yes, it does. It's a reliable, long-lasting mascara that delivers on its promise of extending your lashes without smudging. If you're looking for a more natural, yet noticeable lengthening effect, this mascara is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.